Pastors should not protest. Certainly not now. Now, there are many high-profile evangelical pastors who are protesting, like the people from Hillsong, and they have officially endorsed Black Lives Matter. I think these PC Christians are being co-opted by Antifa, anarchists, and people with violent intent. Can these pastors who are protesting really agree with a slogan like "no justice, no peace," or "property can be replaced, George can't"? Come on. That's not subtle. We know what the threat is. These protesting pastors are connecting themselves with people who have an agenda of looting, of rioting, and of defunding the police. During the time of Jesus, the regime of Rome was the most brutal in human history, much worse than any racism that has ever been in America. And yet Jesus did not tell them to pick up a picket sign and march. He sent them out to cast out the demons of hate and the demons of injustice to bring about real change. I've heard this social gospel before, back in the 60s, back in the 70s, and the pastors and the priests were leading it. And it led to brutal communist regimes in places like Cuba, Nicaragua, Venezuela. Racism is demonic. That knee on the neck of George Floyd, it was demonic. But does that mean we need to support social anarchy? The danger in doing this is that African Americans are being placed at greater risk of their businesses being burned and their opportunities lessened. Is that what we really want? Are you listening, Mr. and Mrs. Breeze? Marching in the name of social justice doesn't heal. What will heal is if America truly repents of slavery. Kneeling to protest hate, that's not going to change anything, not in the long run. America is not a racist nation. I'm tired of hearing that. We've got racism in our past, but we elected an African American as president. The number of prejudiced people in America today is really very, very small. So you Kaepernick wannabe pastors, instead of kneeling, get on your feet and stand with a Bible in your hand and rebuke the devil and confront the forces of darkness. That will produce real results and drive out hate and injustice. Rebuke the devil, get off your knees, and learn real spiritual warfare. If you want to, join our International School of Exorcism graduates who are truly making a difference among people of all colors by holding forth the truth that no matter what the color of your skin, you can get free, stay free, and live free. If you'd like to learn more about spiritual warfare, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and see all the other ways we can teach you about how to overcome evil in your life. A one-stop place with all the information at your fingertips is our website, boblarson.org. There you can see how to take the free demon test to see if you have a demon. You can also see what books we have available. I recommend, if you're looking for one to get started, our book, Curse Breaking. Also, at the website, you can learn how to enroll in our International School of Exorcism and to have your very own virtual one-on-one spiritual encounter. All these opportunities, by God's grace, we make available to you so that spiritually you can know how to get free, stay free, and live free.
Your financial support and prayers make it possible for us to bring hope for the hurting and freedom to those in spiritual bondage. For the latest information regarding ministry outreaches, go to boblarson.org or call 303-980-1511.